Hello everyone, so she's not here. It's me. I'm back, I guess. On my second channel this time. We're doing a live unboxing now, guys. So let's get right into it, right? That's all the cool kids say. Just getting right into it. So this is the box. It's a pretty simple box. Have this thing from Best. It was made in China apparently. Designed too, as far as I'm aware. Okay, it's Xiaomi product, so it's a Chinese manufacturer. I mean, we got rid of that, I guess, but that's not really too much, does it? Yeah. Anyway, let's just dive right in, as all the cool kids say. Dive right in. That's how they will say it, right? It's a pretty cool kid thing to say, isn't it? Alright. Everything goes in the box, and there's only the bulb here. It's a pretty big bulb actually. Pretty huge bulb. Yeah, it's just. You also have this manual. There's not much you can do with it actually. I think there's it's all in Chinese too, so I can't really read any of it because I'm an uncultured swine. So you know. So this is the bulb itself, right? It's a YeeLight bulb. Luckily it is a EU connector, 220-volt connector, which means it's gonna work for me. And that's all the package contains. Right, so we paired everything. Should probably work now. Right about. Right, it's on. So we're gonna just see if it actually works. Right, there we go. So let's just try to change the color and see if anything actually happens. Yeah, works. It looks pretty nice, especially with this this whole light setup. And it actually works. Let me change it to flow. Yeah, looks nice. Alright, well that was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like. Alright, so see you on another video on this channel, or on my main channel where I post more quality content. This isn't really quality content, but I mean, I was pretty excited to see this light. Might do a parody review on my main channel. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.